Okay, requesting everyone to please stand. Say Vale, please lead our prayer. Lord, thank you for this day. Okay, thank you. Before you will go to sit down, let us have first an energizer. Nagmahal, nagka-crush, nag-ghost, or umaasa kayo, teacher? Di ba yan good? Yes, okay.
Teacher?
Are you ready? Yes, teacher. Okay. Where is Darren?
Nagmahal.
What?
Minamahal.
Okay, thank you, Darren. Okay, let's move on to Roy.
Iniwan.
Okay, you want to be Roy now? Okay, thank you. But before pass your assignment forward without making any noise. That teacher. Okay, but before we were going to our discussion, here's the things that we need to consider. Here's the things that we need to consider. First is raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, if you want to answer, just raise your right hand. And second, there is a voice. Okay, if you want to answer, if you want to speak, lower your voice. Then the third, okay, here in our classroom, we respect me as your teacher and also your classmates. Then the last one is sit properly. Okay, sit properly. Always remember that we are here in school, not in our house. So sit properly, most especially to the girls. Okay. Now, before we will move on to our next topic, let us have first a recap to our last discussion. So I have here a picture, and all you need to do is to guess if it is during earthquake, after, or before earthquake. So first, during. Okay, ginagawa ito natin kapag nilindol. Okay. The second one is check yourself and others for injury. Okay, very good. Then the third one is hold on. Very good. Then the last one is before. Very good. So, please everybody stand and let's perform with the cover and code if you really understand our last topic. Okay, Roy, Jessa. Okay, Da. Paano perform ang Da? Da. And hold again, Da. Cover and hold. Okay, thank you. So, Raise your right hand if you want to
Have to
answer.
prepare ourselves.
Okay, very good. We need to prepare ourselves. Then, what should you do during earthquake? Okay, Rod?
I got money.
Okay, very good, Paul. We need to don't panic and we should perform the cover and hold. How about what should we do after earthquakes happen? Okay, answer. Okay, Mona. What should we do after earthquakes happen?
Check your family members paper if complete sila.
Okay, very good, Mona. Thank you. Check our family members or check yourself and call for help if you need. Then, now I have here a video clip. This will guide you to have an insight to our next topic.
Parang handog kayo. Diyan, dali diyan kayo.
Okay, now class, based on the video, what do you observe? What do you observe from the video? Okay, Jane? Okay, very good, Jane. Let's give her a 5 claps. Okay, another one who can give an answer. What do you observe about the picture? Okay, Saibel. Okay, very good, Saibel. There's a landslide in the video you have already watched. Now, I have here, you are going to have an activity. We'll group you into 2 groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. All you need to do is to draw what's the effects of earthquakes. Understood?
Yes,
teacher. Okay. Group 1 and group 2. But before that, here's the rubrics for your activity. So, teamwork, we have 10 points. Accuracy, we have 5 points. Time management, we have 5 points and with a total of 20 points. Are already done? Yes, teacher! Wala pa? Teacher ang pwesto. You have 2 minutes to answer.
Please roll landslide.
Okay, landslide. Wow, ang laki-laki ng bato ha. Okay. So, for the group 1, teamwork, we have 10 points. Because nakikita ko lahat na nagpa-participate. And for the accuracy, we have 5 points. For the time management, sino na una? Group 1, okay. I will give you 5 points. And for the group 2, ano ba sabay mo ba yan? Ilang pagka-report? Okay, we have 5 points. And for the teamwork, lahat ba nagpaparticipate? Okay, I will give you 10 points. So for the time management, no. Basta na sila, so bibigyan ko kayo ng 4 points. Okay, let's total. Group 1, 10 plus 5. 15 plus 5. 20. Okay, group 1, that 20 points. For the group 2, 10 plus 5. 16 plus 4. 19. 19. Okay, give yourself a barangay club. Now, from your answers, what do you think is our next topic? What do you think is our next topic? Picture. Answer. Picture.
Teacher,
Okay, Paul.
our next topic is the effects of earthquakes.
Okay, very good, Paul. Give him a Coca-Cola cup. Ano ba yan? Coca-Cola. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Coca-Cola. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Coca-Cola. Okay, very good, Paul. So, but before we were going to our discussion, here's the objective. So, at the end of the lesson, the pupils will be able to first is identify the different effects of earthquakes. Second, demonstrate the effects of earthquakes. And the last one, list down and describe the effects of an earthquake. Okay, very good. So, now, please read. Okay. Please read what is an earthquake. Earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden movement or vibration of the earth. It is caused when magma masses shift in a new position. Okay, based on what we have read, what did you understand? Anybody else? Same way, what did you understand from what you have read? Earthquake is a movement of the crust teacher. Okay, very good. Same way. So, earthquake is a sudden movement or vibration of the crust. So, from the picture number 1, what did you observe? Picture number 1, what did you observe? Eileen. Okay, very good. Who else? April. What did you observe about the picture? The picture shows the effect of earthquake picture. Okay, very good, April. So the picture shows it's called fissures or ito yung pagkaka-itak-itak ng lupa because of the effect of earthquakes. So from the picture number 2, okay, what did you observe from the picture Roy? Building instruction. Sino Roy?
Building destruction picture.
Okay, what did you observe from the picture?
Destructive building.
Okay, very good, Roy. Who else? Okay, nobody else wants to answer. So, from the picture number 2, the picture shows the building destruction or yung pagkasira ng mga gusali. Okay, very good. From the picture number 3. Okay, what did you observe about the picture? Jane, please stand up. Okay, very good, Jane. The picture shows a big wave that is called tsunami. Okay. So from the picture number 4, what did you observe? Landslide. Oh, here in our place, saan kaya tayo makakita ng yung lugar na prone sa landslide? Skyline! Okay, very good. Skyline. So nakakatakot na nadadaan dun sa skyline tuwing uulan? Yes, teacher! Kaya, sino very good, children. So, now, so now we will be having a group activity again. So meron tayong role play. So all you need to do, this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Gagawa kayo ng role play na about the effect of the earthquakes. Okay? This will be the rubrics. Okay.
Annex 2.
Here's our rubrics. So please be guided with our rubrics because this will be graded. Okay? Yes, teacher. You have 1 minute to prepare your group play. Start.
Mag-demo.
Okay, time is up. Are all ready done? Yes, teacher. Okay, group 1, present your role playing here in front. Okay, thank you, group 1. Next, group 2. Okay, very good. So, now let's have an activity again. So, this is called Identify Me. So, raise the word do if the statement is correct and don't if the statement is wrong. So, I will be reading the question and we will answer it with those do or don't. Okay, for the number 1, drop, cover, and pull. Wrong. Okay, very good. For the number 2, run outside. Okay, number 3, stay indoors. Use elevators. Please check for hazards. Okay. Answer this column what you have learned about our discussion. Okay? Done? Yes, teacher. Okay, very good. So, why is it important knowledge? Why is it important to have knowledge about this earthquake? Roy, please stand.
Sir, it is important, ma'am, because it affects our lives from the future. And to know what to do during
Okay, very good, Roy. So, now, so answer is direction. Yes, teacher. Match column A with the column B. Write your letter, the correct answer before the number. Okay, are all